Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ebun. Please subscribe before you leave. I hope you do enjoy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're just watching and you're not subscribing, don't worry, I'll talk about this later. But anyway, today's video is going to be me making shawarma, but it turned to chicken wrap. Don't ask me how. Well, how is that? I didn't get the right bread, the right pita bread that Kiki Pudis use, because I followed her shawarma recipe and it's really good. So yeah, I'm using Greek yogurt, but I mean you can use any plain yogurt you want, or if you don't want at all. But she did use it in a video and she said it makes the chicken juicy and tender. So this is me making the marinade for the chicken. And funny enough, she added lemon juice, which I never really tried, and I did try and I liked it. She used the normal lemon, but I just got the juice. Same difference. So you're just going to stir it and put your chicken in, and I left mine to marinate for like 30 minutes because I didn't have the patience. But you can leave yours for an hour, 2 hours, basically preference. So yeah, list of ingredients, I'm going to put it on the screen, and also check the description box for more information. I decided to cut the chicken in small bits, just so the marinade can go in, and so it'll be easier for me to cut cut in small chunks when I'm done cooking the chicken. So I'm just removing those excess things that are not needed, and I washed it, just rinsed the chicken, washed it before putting it in the marinade. So basically you want to stir and massage the chicken in the marinade, and then what I did, I just covered with a cling film and put it in the refrigerator and decided to prep the other ingredients I needed. So that was why I didn't have the energy or time, and I was also hungry. I didn't have the time to wait, like to leave it in the refrigerator for 2 hours or more. So I'm just cutting my cabbage in like this size, my preferred size. Yeah, and then I used I got already shredded carrots just to save time and to reduce stress. Yep. So but you can add any other thing you want. That's just what I wanted to add in the chicken wrap, in the shawarma turned chicken wrap. So although she didn't add anything to this at this point, I decided to add some mayonnaise to mine because I didn't want it to be like dry when I put it in my mouth. I wanted it to be moist, so I just added just a little bit to just mix it up, just so it's not just dry. Moving on to the sauce we're going to use for the dressing, or whatever you want to call it. I didn't use all that she used. I just used the mayonnaise. This is mustard, ketchup, and she also did add the lemon juice in there. And I also decided to add a little bit of chili powder. You can add as much as you want if you really do like it spicy. So yeah, and this sauce was actually good. She said this is a secret sauce in quotes. And I like it. So after all the prepping, just heat up your pan, and I brought out the chicken from the refrigerator. I'm just putting it in there. I let it fry for about 5 minutes on each side. So after 5 minutes, I turn it. You can also decide to grill your chicken if you don't want to fry. You can also decide to grill it, so you don't have to fry it. But I decided to fry mine. And also, if you watch to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, honestly, I don't know what to say to you. Please hit the subscribe button, please help me get to 200, in fact 500 subscribers. And thank you to those that have been subscribing. I've been seeing new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Thank you. Also, if you have video suggestions or ideas, you can put it in the comment section. I always reply comments, and yes, I always reply all comments. So thank you guys in advance. I'm using this wrap for, this is like, so it's not like shawarma or chicken wrap. So I'm using this. It's not the pita bread where you have to open, so it just looks like this. So I'm not like going to open it up. It's going to be like a wrap. So excited, let's begin. So first off, I'm going to just layer the secret sauce, in quotes, the sauce on the wrap. Yeah, and then add my cabbage and carrots, which I mixed up together. Then I added the chicken. The sausage, and just topped it up with the secret sauce just to just to finish. And then I just rolled it together and just arrange it on the pan, which has been heating up. On like medium heat, so I'll just let it be there for like 5 minutes on each side. So I turn after 5 minutes and then repeat. It tastes so good, actually. I really liked it. Just that I couldn't open up the bread, the wrap thing, because it's a wrap. So that's just the only thing that's different. Yeah, that's why I just said it's chicken wrap, because I don't like shawarma. So this is me just rolling over after 5 minutes on each side. And that's it, actually. Very simple. I think it's just the prep time that takes time, but when everything is set, it's a really quick meal, and it tastes so good. It looks so good as well. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have video suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Like this video. Thank you. Bye.